Hi there guys, hope you are doing great. In this video we will talk about Skid Row's 18 and Live guitar solo. So I've been teaching this solo for a long time and I couldn't find any proper tabs for my students, so I decided to record this video and deep dive into it and talk about all the details about this solo. Let's get started. So when I first listened this, I understand that he's recording this solo in front of the amp or in the studio in front of the cabinets with high volume. And he's getting a lot of feedbacks. That's why it's like there's two options. He's in the room with the amp or he is playing in front of the cabinets with loud volume. So he is getting a lot of feedback. As I do, I get my volume from my monitors. So for the beginning, most of the tabs showing he is playing from the 2nd fret. But there's a slide after this and the pitch just showing me, I believe he's playing from the 7th fret. And then doing this stuff. And he's starting with a ghost note. And getting a lot of feedback and sustain. And then he's starting to play. And then we are hearing a dive in with the tremolo bar and then sliding here. Yeah, it's very cool movement because you don't expect that. So he is bending G flat to G and then adding the pinky on top of the bend. And then bending again. Just pull-offs, and then this is very important. It's not just G note. I mean, it's with the 3rd and bending both notes. And then we have a artificial harmonic here. And I forgot to mention that this band also has artificial harmonic. And then back to here. It's not very clear this part, but he's using some hammers. And then here, most of the tabs show. But it's actually... So we are hearing that note. G flat again in the beginning of... How you can get this? Get the sound from here and then mute B string and then and most of the tabs showing this part from, but it's actually from here, from this position. And then we have a wild bend. It starts from E flat. And I believe you can use middle finger. And then getting from E to E flat, a hammer and pull off. And then this part. So first note is longer. And with the song, he is not reaching this note. He is like a bit somewhere there. So I think these are all the details about this solo. Try to focus on your artificial harmonics. Try to nail the bends. Listen always carefully what the original solo has and try to mimic that, because you can learn a lot with just listening. The differences between, is it like 7th fret or 2nd fret, kind of little details are very important. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I will try to make more videos like that. Please don't forget to support my channel, be a member. And if you want to find all the tabs in Guitar Pro and PDF format, you can join my Patreon page. And thanks a lot, guys. I hope to see you on my upcoming video. Cheers. Bye.